Hey everyone, welcome back to Reaper Made Simple. Today, stop number 1 on our menus tour. In my opinion, the most powerful menu you'll find in Reaper is the Actions menu. You can find that here, Actions, Show Action List, or you can use the keyboard shortcut !. And we're going to be looking at 3 common things you can do with this Actions menu. You'll see a whole long list of every action you can take in Reaper. And the 3 things we're going to be looking at today are adding or changing shortcuts for different actions, changing controllers and using them as shortcuts, and creating custom actions. So first, let's change a shortcut to a common action. So Control T creates a new track. If we want to change that, we can find new track. You can also search by shortcut. So if I type Control T, you'll see it's highlighted there. Let's delete Control T and let's add Control W. So now instead of Control T adding a new track, Control W will add new tracks. You can do the exact same thing with a MIDI controller with MIDI CC information. So let's say we want to adjust the track volume for track 1 volume, set volume for track 1, add, and if you have a MIDI controller connected, you can just move a MIDI CC controller. So now, when I move that same slider on my MIDI controller, it will control the volume of track 1. Finally, you can create your own custom actions. You can go here, New, and this is especially useful if you have multiple actions that you take repetitively. You can get them down to a single keystroke. So let's say we want to add 5 tracks at the same time. We can go to New Track, insert new track, and we can add 5 copies of that. This will do all of these actions in sequence anytime you hit the corresponding keyboard shortcut. So let's hit OK. Let's name it 5 tracks. And this will now show up at the very top of our actions list as a custom action. And let's map it to Control T, because we just got rid of that for add a single new track. Control T, you add it just like any other action, and now when we press Control T, it'll add 5 tracks at the same time. So there you have it, basic tour of the Reaper Actions menu. We'll see you next time.